Today I'm going to show you how to use the drill press safely in the makerspace. The first thing I want to make sure I do before anything else is if I have long sleeves, I want to make sure they are up and out of the way. And likewise, if my hair is long, I want to make sure it's pulled back so that when this is spinning, it's not going to catch any fabric or my hair, because one of the biggest dangers is something getting wrapped in this as it's spinning. Second thing I need to make sure that I do for being safe is putting my safety glasses on. I've got this fancy pair. There's also always a regular pair of science goggles. That way nothing gets into our eyes. And there's two places for the power. One is down here on the power strip, and the other one is on the side. It's this green switch here. Green switch is on. Red switch is off. I'm going to make a hole in this piece of wood. Now, when a student comes up to do this, they should always have a mark on their wood showing exactly where they want to make the first hole. I'm going to line it up. Power on here. Power on here. Make sure you hold the wood tight. Notice that I'm going up and down. I'm not just going to keep pushing and pushing and pushing. I'm going to go down, up, all the way until I get more than halfway through my piece of wood. I'm more than halfway through, so I'm going to flip my wood over, my piece of wood over. I've made the hole. I'm going to turn both power off, and now I can take this piece of wood out. Sometimes I want this to make a wheel or a gear, and sometimes I just want it to make the different holes in the piece of wood.